Why is it that frost only ever forms on the top of a wing and never the bottom? The answer all comes down to how frost is formed. Before I explain, you must understand dew point.
Dew point is the temperature at which the air becomes saturated.
In English, this means that when the temperature of an air mass gets cooled to the dew point, there will be some form of visible moisture, such as clouds or fog, or in our case, frost. But how does the wing's temperature drop below the dew point? Well, at night, especially under a calm, clear sky, the airplane's upper surfaces radiate heat into space. This loss of heat can cause the wing's temperature to drop down below the dew point, which also cools down a little tiny sliver of air right above the wing. And if this little sliver of air gets cooled below the dew point and the dew point is negative, you'll get visible moisture on the top of your wing in the form of frost. The bottom is a different story though. Unlike the top of the wing, which radiates heat into space, the bottom of the wing radiates heat at the ground, which then gets reflected right back at the wing, keeping it warmer than the dew point. This is why it's almost impossible for frost to form on the bottom of a wing.